MMM ideology, how it works, rules and benefits of MMM by Ahmed Idris, MMM Guidance School 163 Bashed. Are you not tired of being a slave to your master? Are you working tirelessly to make money and at the end of the day all you get is peanuts? Do you find it difficult in sustaining on your little income? MMM is the best solution to your problems. MMM ideology. First, we have to know what is money. Some will say money is a measure of labor. Of course, money is not any measure of labor. These are fairy tales for idiots. Otherwise, you will live like a lord, or maybe you don't work much enough. Unfortunately, money is just a tool to hold all of us in slavery. We are all slaves of money. More precisely, we are slaves of those who print money. They are our masters. Financial apocalypse, that is the only thing that can break our financial chain and save us all. Release us finally from the continuous slavery. The main goal why Sergio Mavrodi created this community is to fight the unfair financial system of the world, where the rich become richer and the poor become poorer. His aim is to destroy the unfair world of financial slavery. By the invention of MMM, we can achieve our financial freedom. With MMM, financial apocalypse is inevitable and unavoidable. What is MMM? MMM is not a bank. MMM is not collect your money. MMM is not an online business. MMM is a community where people help each other. MMM gives you a technical platform which helps millions of participants worldwide connect those who need help to those who are ready to provide help for free. MMM is a community where financial aid and donation exchange have been carried out. There are no central accounts where money can be paid into. It is a peer-to-peer system where financial transfer donation directly. Participants transfer donation directly to the account of other participants. There are no guarantee. How MMM works? MMM is a social network that connects people who want to donate money with one who want to get money. In MMM, participants provide help with spare money when they are able to do so and get help when they need the money. Providing help means willingness to provide financial assistance. This can be achieved by clicking the provide icon like the picture above in the personal office to offer to provide help, and your account will be credited with Mavro. Follow the instruction and input the amount of help that you are capable of providing. Note, you are to use your spare money. After this process, a small green box will appear on the top right corner of the PO, showing the details of the offer. You will see something like this box below. You can wait patiently to be matched with another participant. When you are being matched finally, you will see a box appearing on your PO just like the picture below. This box contains the information of the participant that you are to pay money. After payment, go back to your personal office to upload proof of payment. You can now wait for 30 days as your Mavro grows every Tuesday and Thursday to 30% of your donation. You may choose to withdraw or get help within 14 days. With this decision, you may lose your registration bonus if it's your first month of participation. Get help simply means asking for financial help or donation, and you can only ask for help if you provide help before. To achieve this, click on Get Help icon above on your PO and follow the instruction. Note, you cannot be given help more than the current growth of your Mavro. Rules of MMM. Participants are only allowed to have only one MMM account. Multiple accounts are not allowed, and participants can be blocked or put on moratorium if they broke this law. Participants must deal with each other with honesty and fairness. Any participant that failed to send or transfer money within the allotted time to whom he or she has been matched with will be blocked from the system. In every help a participant receives, such participant must write a letter of happiness for the other. Benefit of MMM. The benefit of MMM include 30% increase on your donation for 1 month, 10% bonus, 10% referral bonus, $20 registration bonus for donation from $50 to $499, $50 registration bonus for donation from $500 to $2,999, $100 registration bonus for donation of $3,000 and above. Manager or guardian bonus. To become a guardian or manager in MMM, you have to complete and pass online guidance school before you can earn manager or guardian bonus. These bonuses include 10% from your first level participant donation, 5% from your second level participant donation, 3% from your third level participant donation, 1% from your fourth level participant donation, 0.5% from your fifth level participant donations, 0.3% from your sixth level participant donations, 0.1% from your seventh level participant donations, 0.05% from your eighth level participant donations, 0.03% from your ninth level participant donations, 0.01% from your 10th level participant donation. Bonus for video in a letter of happiness. If you make a video alongside with your letter of happiness for a particular help received, you will be given 5% of the amount you receive as help. Sagro Mavrodi is the leader and founder of MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. His avid degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer, and took part in the development of the first operating system. The company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of Russia Parliament. Much appreciation to the founder and the leader of MMM for his great initiative to save us from the unfair world of financial slavery. What are you waiting for? Join MMM today to gain your financial freedom. Long live MMM. Together we can change the world.